My name is Thorey. I work for the company Sika. We're a Swiss company. I'm French. We're working in this field for a few years now, and Sika is active since 100 years. It is a family-owned company, and we are specialists in doing adhesive systems and sealants. We are active in every country in the world, more or less. We are 12,000 employees or more, with own subsidiaries in 70 countries. So we are active everywhere. Obviously, some markets are better off than others. We see in the solar industry, for instance, India is very interesting for us next year, but the US as well. So we're actually about everywhere in the world and taking advantage of the situations and local market conditions when they present themselves. We are looking for new markets in the sense of new application areas for our adhesives. We are working with partners and players in these fields that think of new systems, new ways of doing solar systems, new designs, and we're helping them to make the assembly, bond these different things together, and that's always new challenges, and they always need new adhesives, new solutions. Our customers are, for instance, glass manufacturers, and so they would supply their glass, their mirrors to different projects in the end. I've actually met quite a few people, and especially from lots of different countries, not only European countries. We've had potential customers from India coming here. We've met potential partners or companies who have the same customers. So it's going to be interesting to keep the contact and keep up on what's going on in the industry. So a lot of interesting contacts, very good events. So for instance here we've got a typical mounting system for CSP, parabolic trough systems. We've got the mirror. This is the back side of the mirror, and on the back you've got these ceramic pads, and they are bonded with an adhesive that we are manufacturing here. For instance, it's a two-component, very fast, ultra-fast curing system, allowing very fast production cycle times. And it's interesting if you need to produce a lot of units in a short time, because you can move the parts in a very short time. But of course, if you're talking about manual application, then you may want something that's slower but easier to use, like a one-component system with a cartridge, for instance. So that's one option. That's an application we currently supply and have in the CSP market today. These applications here would be typical back rail bonding for PV applications, but we actually find these sort of steel frames or steel back construction in the CSP industry as well. So making the assembly between glass, between metal, mirrors, all these different things together is something you can do with these sort of adhesives as well. These very high strength but very elastic adhesives that can resist very long time, at least 20 years, 25 years. Absolutely no issue.